This tutorial provides an example of how to use the Sensatus Capital Reorganisation APIs to process a consolidation. A consolidation decreases the number of shares or issued securities, which in turn increases the price. In this example, the Active Energy Group had a 1-for-35 consolidation. Using the Reorganisation Add API, set the Reorganisation Types ID to 10 for stock consolidation. This reorganisation type is applicable to consolidations across all asset types. The record date was 6:30 p.m. on the 4th of July 2022. Assuming the date used when entering investment transactions is the execution date and not the settlement date, and allowing for T+2 settlement, set the execution record date to the 2nd of July 2022. Set the X date to the 5th of July 2022. Set the new issue ratio to 1 and the old issue ratio to 35 to implement a 1-for-35 consolidation of the shares. In their announcement, Active Energy Group stated that no shareholder will be entitled to a fraction of a consolidated share and fractional returns will not be returned to the client. Therefore, set the fractional value to false to round down fractional holdings, then set the fractional return value to false as there will be no return of fractional entitlements. Add a description and then leave the remaining fields set to the default null value, as there is no return of cash via payments or fractional returns and therefore no need to apportion cost. Use the returned reorganisation ID should you need to delete it. In this example, the client started with 35,010 shares and the position was reduced to 1,000 shares after the 1-for-35 consolidation.